Hello again and welcome back to this next Aweber video training. This is once again Casper from How to Make a Cool Website. I hope you had time for a nice cup of coffee. So let's go on here. This next video is all about how to put your opt-in form on your website. So now that we created it, I want to show you where to put it, or how to put it on, and I'll show you how to put it on here on your page, or if you want it in your widget area, how to put it over here. Right now I don't have any widgets here, so there's really nothing here. And what we need to do first is go to our Aweber control panel and go to web forms here. And this is, just scroll up here a bit. This is the one we created, the dog fetch trainer. So I'm going to open that one up. And here we have the publish section. And I want to install my form here. And you can see that you have two kind of versions here. You have a JavaScript and you have the raw HTML, and you can actually use both of them on your website. If you have a specific theme where they already have opt-in forms on, where you just need to put in the code, you always need to use the HTML. But if you just want to put it on the design yourself, you can just use the JavaScript. Or the HTML, it doesn't really matter, but you can see there's a lot of difference in the amount of info here. So what I tend to do is use the JavaScript because it's just easier to work with it, because it's shorter. That's the only reason. So I'm going to copy it here, and then I am going to my page. So this is my welcome page. This is the front page we have right here. So what I'm going to do right now is put my opt-in form right here in the center. I'll head back to my page and down in my editor down here, and this is a little trick for you. I'm going to write a lot of X's so I know where to look in the HTML code, and I want to center this, and then I'm going to go to the HTML section here, and you see right here I have all my X's, so I'm going to mark those out. I'm going to paste in my JavaScript code and click update. And then I'm going to head back here and refresh my page. And as you see, now we have the opt-in form installed on our website. So right now I could paste in my name here, or type in my name, my email, and I could actually sign up for this list just now. So this is how you put your opt-in form on your page. I just want to show you a quick thing here, because when you use the JavaScript, it doesn't appear in the visual editor here. So that might be a problem for you if you want to write some text below. So what you can do here instead, and let's just delete this. I'll show you with the HTML instead. So once again, I'm going to type in all the X's. I want to center it, and I want to use the raw HTML. I'm going to copy all. Go to my HTML editor, locate all the X's, and paste it in here. Click update, and once again we'll see that the web form is still on the website. It's still here, so it's just another code, but the same thing appears on your website. But now if I switch to visual, you will actually see here that we have the web form here. And don't mind if it's not centered here, it's still centered on your website. But right now I could just go ahead and type in here. It's so much easier because you have it in the visual editor. So that's just the difference of using JavaScript versus HTML. And what I want to show you now is how to put it in your widget area. So if you want your opt-in form out here, in your widget area, you are once again going to go here, and you can grab the HTML or the JavaScript. It really doesn't matter. So I'll take the JavaScript here, say copy, and instead of going to the page, I'm going to head over to my widget section right here. Yes, I want to leave this page. And what you need to use is the text widgets. So I'll just show you how to drag it over. You have the text here, just click and drag to the widget area where you want to place your opt-in form. And in here, I just paste in the code and I click save. And then let's head over to the website again and refresh. And you see right now we have our opt-in form here in the right sidebar. And there's really one thing you should notice here, because your opt-in form might be too wide for the widget area. So what we can do here is go back to our design. I'll just make it too wide for you, and you can see I can resize it. Now I'm going to save web form. Head back to my web page here and refresh, so you can just see an opt-in form that is too wide. You see here right now it really doesn't fit here. So what you can do if that's the case is you just head over to your opt-in form design area here, and you click the resize here, and you make it narrower. I think it's about here, and you might need to do a little redesigning before it actually fits. Click Save Web Form. Go back to your page here and refresh, and you see it's automatically changed the size here. So this is how you put your web form on your website. I highly recommend you use JavaScript on the widget areas and maybe the HTML on your pages. And I will see you in the next video, where we will be heading over to broadcast emails. I'll see you soon. Bye.